Hey guys, welcome to the pre-race day vlog. This was the expo day for the Bergman Triathlon. There were a lot of stalls, a lot of brands having their outlets, including fitness gadgets, tri suits, bikes, nutrition, bike maintenance, and a lot more. Overall, it was pretty good. I think they could have just added some more shade for the people to stand in comfort. But other than that, it was a pretty smooth operation altogether.
पार्किंग तिकडे आहे रे, खाली आहे. गरम
स्टिकर्स साइकिल के लिए, आपके हेलमेट के लिए, पंप के लिए, आपका कैप, शॉर्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन हाउ टू यूज इट एंड दिस बिट नंबर राजा हैदर
टी-शर्ट साइज 40 आहे.
and you have to this belt you have to apply it throughout the race and you have to wear it on your leg.
So the transition area and the swim area were a little different from the expo area. On the left, you can see the bike transition, the T1, and on the right is the Rajaram Talav. So, guys, this is the swim route. It starts from this point, and then you go on to that point, take a right, and then go there, and then come back the same route back to this. Initially, I did not plan to do a trial swim. I thought I'll just wing it, but then I saw that the water was pretty calm and I should give it a try. And it was well worth it. I just got on my tri suit, took my stove load because there was no assistance at that point of time. So yeah, overall, yeah, the water was very cold, and even at 2 p.m. I tried to maintain my composure and did the 200 meters till the white flag, and then came back from a slightly different route. This was the end of it, and by this time I was tired. I thought I won't be able to do it. Yeah, just completed a trial swim, and it was very tiring. You have seen the entire route already, but it's gonna be very tough when we actually swim. So even after putting so much effort, I was in 15 minutes, 16 minutes, I could just do 480 meters, and I'm sure this was a better performance than Udupi, but uh, I think I have to put in a lot of effort tomorrow. Yeah, now we are going to assemble the bike and get it ready for the transition area, and yeah, I'll also do a short bike ride today just to get my engines pumping. रन मारा है.
तो फिर हेलमेट भी इधर ही
I will do my job. You do. I don't care. I want to finish it. Let's clap for new Chelsea's over here. Welcome. Okay, ना? ऐसा उठा है ना? Because everyone will be visible in the picture. ABCD. Yes, everybody. Okay.